I actually use another plate to flip it over. Look at this. Oh, this is beautiful.
Cooking up.
Hi, this is Cooking Up. Today I'm going to make a braised pork leg which can melt in your mouth. Yes, it will take a little bit more time, but we have pressure cooker to help, so it makes things easier as well. So here I have approximately half of front pork hand. Yeah, front pork hand here, which is approximately 900 gram, and I actually blanch it. So whenever you are making a pork trotter, make sure you always blanch it. Yeah. So this is half of it. I requested the butcher to actually cut it half for me, cut this part out for me. So then let's take a look at the ingredient. Not difficult at all. We have some ginger slices, garlic, shallot, and also fresh coriander roots. Then some cinnamon stick, a bay leaf, and 2 to 3 pieces of star anise. Then I'll be using some 13 spice powder here. You can get it online. I'll put the link inside the video description, and I have 2 tablespoons of this is what we call the palm sugar. Yeah, palm sugar, and you can use rock sugar or any white sugar or brown sugar as you please. And I'll be adding in some Cooking Up chicken stock powder as well, which you can get it from Shopee Malaysia and Singapore. So first of all, we are going to saute the ginger, garlic, and spices. Since my pressure cooker can do open lid cooking, so I will straight away use my pressure cooker to do so. Put in some oil, heat it up, and put in your ginger, garlic, shallot, and also fresh coriander roots. Let's saute this for a minute or two before we continue. Now, one tips about using a pressure cooker is that from the beginning when you actually needed some time to build out the pressure. So, and in order to build out the pressure, it needs a lot of heat. Therefore, if your pressure cooker also has a open lid cooking function, you should always use it because you already preheated your pot, yeah, pressure cooker pot. Therefore, it will shorten your cooking time later. Sorry about the angle, yeah. Once you start seeing some garlic started to turn yellowish, you can now put in your star anise and your cinnamon stick and the bay leaf. And now you can actually add in some hot water. We will adjust the hot water level later, but now we are going to make the braised broth for your pork leg. Firstly, we are going to start with about 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Let's add in about approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce for the color. Not too much of dark soy sauce, especially from the beginning. It can actually make too much dark soy sauce sometimes can make your braise become very bitter. Few dashes of light. This is a fish sauce. 1 small bowl of Shaoxing wine. To further enhance the flavor, I'm going to add in some of my Cooking Up chicken powder, about 1 teaspoon. Our 13 spice powder, which I normally call it the big brother of 5 spice powder. You can get it online quite easily actually. It's called 13 spice powder. Very, very fragrant. Seriously, you will like it once you try. Then we have 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, coconut palm sugar. You can use normal sugar or brown sugar or rock sugar also can. So we have basically get ready the base broth. Wow, already super fragrant. You still can adjust the braised broth towards adjust to taste right before serving. So when this is ready, I'm going to put in the pork leg. And I also have some hard-boiled egg. So I'm going to put it to braise at the same time. Right, everything is ready. Then we can close the lid and get it ready to pressure cook. Right, so this is the pressure cooker, high pressure, and we need at least 1 hour for this. Why 1 hour? Because we actually put the whole pork, at least the big chunk of pork leg inside. If you ask the butcher to cut the pork leg into smaller chunk, then you only need approximately 30 minutes inside pressure cooker. All right, then just let it go by itself, and after that it's done. Go and do your things within this 1 hour. This is after 1 hour pressure cook, and the pressure inside the pot has already been released. So let's slowly open this one up. Wow! I wish you can smell this. Our eggs. Nice, beautiful eggs. I will try to take out the wow. Very noir, very soft and tender right now. I have to be very careful, if not everything will fall apart when I take it out. I will try to take it out for you to see. Just took it out. You can see how it jiggles. Everything becomes jello-y. Actually, now I notice I probably shouldn't have put it the other upside down with the skin downwards, because now it's very hard for me to turn it back. If I want to turn it back, basically the skin may actually dissolve because it's too tender. I actually use another plate to flip it over. Look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. You can try to take out some of your braised sauce and make it reduce. Cook it for a couple of minutes to let it become thicker. Up to you. I don't do that. This is personal preference. Right, done. This dish, when you see out at the restaurant, it will cost you quite expensive, this dish. And it seems like a very difficult dish to do, but actually, if you do it right, it's actually very simple, seriously. See how it didn't take me too much time, except for the pressure cooking time, yeah? If you don't have a pressure cooker, you need to cook this. In order to achieve this tenderness, you need at least 3 hours slow, 3 hours simmering under a low medium heat. Then only you can, using normal pot, then only you can get this kind of tender. If you use a pressure cooker, this kind of size, half throttle, 1 hour is good enough. If you only make those pork leg which is already cut into chunks, then you only need about 30 minutes. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.